Welcome to 4Ks Forklift Training. We are located in Birmingham, West Midlands. Our instructors have been providing training for over 10 years. Over the years, we have managed to build a great customer relationship which has helped us grow our business further. 4Ks has also been providing on-site training for businesses that require training on their side. We are a fully accredited training centre and our training centre has been fully approved by RTITB. At 4Ks, we have fully RTITB qualified instructors who provide our candidates with high level of training courses.
At 4KS, we provide various training courses such as the counterbalance lift truck training, reach truck training, PPT training, VNA training, and bendy truck training. We provide novice courses, and novice courses normally take up to 3 to 5 days. And if you want to take any other courses, after that it would be carried out as a conversion course which would take up to 1 or 2 days.
We understand that some people may find courses run in English hard, but this is not a problem for us at 4Ks, as we have instructors who can deliver courses in different languages, such as Urdu, Punjabi, Bengali, Romanian, Polish, and also in Russian. Hence why we have a 98% pass rate, and we have not had anyone fail the theory test in the last 4 months.
We have a 5-star Google rating review as well as a 5-star Yale.com review. So why not have a look what our existing candidates had to say about 4KS. If you are looking for a forklift truck license or any lift truck license, don't delay, call us today on 0121 294 9395. And one of our customer service team members would be more than happy to assist you. You could also visit our website at www.4ksforkliftttrainingltd.co.uk for further information on our courses. Also, at 4KS Forklift Training, we understand that some people face financial difficulties. However, that is not a problem for us to tackle, as we have a train now and pay later scheme where candidates could pay back affordable monthly payments.
Follow us on Instagram at 4Ks Forklift Training Center. You could also follow us on Facebook at 4Ks Forklift Training.